Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a part 2 of my hair care routine. And if you have missed the part 1 of the video where I've shown you my favorite hair oils and my hair oiling techniques, then I'll put in the link above right here. You can click on it and watch the part 1. Now let's get on to the part 2 of the video where I'll be showing you my shampoo, conditioner technique and how I style my hair. So for my shampoo routine, currently I'm using two types of shampoo. One is an anti-dandruff and the second one is your normal daily ones. This one is from Rajeshree. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This one is for curly hair to get bouncy curls, and this one is silicone free. This one is really mild and gentle for the hair. I usually like to dilute the shampoo in warm water and then apply it on my head. For this I take the mug, add some warm water and then pour in the shampoo and then mix it up really nicely, and then I like to put it on my head. After I distribute the shampoo nicely in my hair, I like to give a gentle massage on the scalp. Through the length of the hair, I try to be very gentle. With the praying hand motion, I try to distribute the shampoo on my hair and get rid of all the hair oils that I've applied. And once I rinse my hair thoroughly, I like to squeeze out all the water out of my hair for the next step, which is the conditioner. I do use a lot of conditioner and I'll make a separate video on that as well. And for today, I'm going to use the OGX Macadamia Oil Conditioner, and this one is really amazing for dry and frizzy hair. So I usually divide my hair into two parts, and then with the praying hand motion I spread the conditioner evenly on my hair. I even remove any tangles or knot that has been formed while I was shampooing my hair in the shower itself while I'm conditioning my hair. And my final step of conditioning the hair is to flip all the hair in the front and take some more conditioner, and then I scrunch my hair. I do this to define the curls even more, and I do this for about 60 seconds to about 1 minute. And once that's done, I like to take all the hair, put it in the top knot, secure it with a clutcher, and then I keep this on while I take care of my skin. I like to finish it off with rinsing my hair with cold water, as it seals the hair cuticles, making it look softer. So after I've shampooed and conditioned my hair, that's my son. I usually apply very less products, and products are basically argan oil. I've already spoken about this in my part 1 video. And then I apply aloe vera gel. This one is from Patanjali. And then I have the Giovanni straightening elixir. Well, long story short, this was not bought by me. This was bought by my husband to straighten his hair, and he did not read it that you need to apply this gel and straighten your hair to achieve that straightened look. And then he was about to throw it, but then when I read this thing that this product is paraben free, mineral oil free, artificial color free, and it is organic, and what it does is basically smoothen the curls and relaxes the waves, so I decided to use this as well. So I'm going to show you how I use this. I take about coin size product of Giovanni gel, then I add little aloe vera gel followed by a few drops of argan oil, and then I mix it up really nicely, and then starting from the bottom I just scrunch my hair like so. You can already see curls are getting formed and it's nicely defined. Now after I have applied the product on my hair, I usually plop my hair with a t-shirt or a microfiber towel. It's usually t-shirt basically, that's my son. So I'm gonna plop my hair. Basically what plopping does is it just enhances your curl and gives volume to your hair. And if you don't know what plopping of the hair means, then you should definitely check out my video. I have a full detailed video on it, and I've been doing this for the past 2 years and it has showed amazing results for my hair. Now this is my attire after I wash my hair. Doing YouTube with a toddler is a big task. Hannah?
Where is it put here?
No, you don't have to put it there.
Yes, you can put it there.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you after 30 minutes or once it's dried, naturally dried, how my hair looks like. So I have kept the t-shirt on for more than 40 minutes now, and I'm going to take it off and let's see how it looks. It's actually a little bit damp, and you can see the curls, it's so well defined. I don't use any diffuser. Well, I want to invest one because the results are a little more defined in the diffuser, but I kind of like this result as well. So this is what my hair looks like. It's still damp, and now I'm just gonna keep it open and let it dry completely and then show you. And now that my hair is completely dried out, and this is what my hair looks like.